What if it was possible to have AI analyze your website instantly in order to tell you exactly what you're doing wrong so that you can start ranking higher? Now, before you say, oh, Eric, that's no big deal, this is the sort of thing that you usually pay a mentor a few $1,000s to be able to do. But I'm going to show you how to use an AI to do it instead and spend pretty much nothing on it. Okay, if that sounds interesting to you, I think you're going to love what I have to tell you about in my review of Kevin Fahey's List Building and Email Marketing AI Edition. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man of the hat. And that's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know by now that you could skip ahead. I tell the same boring, stale jokes day in and day out. You'd think I would learn, but no. I keep telling them over and over and over again. For some strange reason, I seem to be very attached to my jokes. Hey, I'm old-fashioned. You know, I live in an old-fashioned house. It's over 100 years old. So maybe my jokes can be over 100 years old, or at least a few years old anyway. But seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's very, very simple. Let's make sure that you don't know by much of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Bart, this, I was just mentioning these people. This has been going on for over 3 years. 3 long, long years, Bart. It is enough. Seriously, it is enough. Nobody wants the crap. You don't, these people don't, I don't. Now stop it already. Get a new line. Seriously, if you are new to the channel, the way things work here, if I like it, I will give a tip of my hat to the power creator. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you so much, Liz Lemon. And Liz, she is such a sweetheart. I do love her. Really a sweetheart of a person, even though she says the same thing all the time. But seriously, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Hit that bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so look right now at the sales page for the AI edition of List Building and Email Marketing from Kevin Fahey. Kevin is one of the biggest names in the industry, really knows his stuff, really is able to do incredible things in the internet marketing space, gets results. And this course is amazing because basically what he's done is he's taken his standard course, revamped it for the AI era. And it is truly amazing. The prompts he's going to share, some of the ideas he's got for driving traffic are actually unique ideas that I hadn't heard of. I think he's also added some stuff because I think I saw this course a while back and I remember seeing all of these ideas in there. So it's really, really amazing. I'm going to show you the members area in just a second. But before I do that, I do want to tell you about my custom bonus because as always, I have one of the best custom bonuses around. So the first custom bonus I'm going to show you, I actually have 2 different things I want to show you that I just found. I'm going to give you my course with full PLR rights, and each one's going to be a separate course, by the way. Because I had a complaint on the last bonus I made. People said, oh, Eric, it's all one course. And I was talking about 3 different things, but I did it all in one video. So this time I made 2 separate videos for you. One for one thing, one for the other thing. So each one's going to be a separate video. You're going to have the option to give them away. Use them as your own bonus. Sell them, do whatever you want with them. Okay, so these 2 things I think are really going to blow you away. I'm going to show you how each of them works in the video course, and of course, what they are. Obviously, it is going to be blurred out. You can see that at the top. That is blurred out. But these are very, very cool things. So check this out. First thing is this. So this website is designed to create a website in 60 seconds or less. And it really is quite amazing to create what it's able to do. Basically, what you're going to do is literally just give it a prompt. You're going to tell it exactly what you want the thing to be. By the way, you can see here it says no credit card required. They are going to charge you if you want to actually use it for something. It's very, very minimal cost, like $10 or something, very, very small amount of money. But basically, it's going to create a custom built website just for you based on your prompts. I've tested it. It works really, really nicely. So let's go ahead and just use this real quick. I want a website to collect emails and give away a free course showing how to use AI to create instant landing pages in 50 seconds flat. So, for example, if you wanted to give away this course that you actually get as your bonus when you pick up Kevin's course from me, if you want to give away that course, you could just put this prompt straight into here, and let's see what it actually does. Okay, it's going to take a few seconds for it to create that. In the meantime, I want to show you the other product. And again, this time I made two separate courses, one for one course, one for the other one, because some people complained that on the last one. So check this out. So the other thing I want to show you is like this. Let's say that you wanted to, go ahead and see how you are ranking compared to somebody else's website, and basically to be able to see which keywords they're using that are getting them the best results. Okay, which ranking signals they're using to get the best results. This system is designed to do exactly that. Now we're going to play a little bit of a dirty trick here. We're actually going to use Kevin's own website for this. So you can see I have kevinfahy.com listed here. Okay, and we're going to click try demo. You do get 14 days for free to try this out, and it's going to tell you exactly what you need to do in order to rank your website. Now, what we're going to do like this, we're going to just go click here on try demo, and what it's going to do is like this. It's actually going to go ahead and ask us. It's going to ask us about keywords. Actually, I tested this before, so I apologize. That's not showing exactly what you're going to do, but basically, it's going to ask you to add keywords. It's going to ask you also to pick out competitor websites. So, for example, I put in Jonah Armstrong's website in order to compare it to Kevin's website and see exactly what would happen. So, if we wanted to add some keywords, we could do that here. Okay. So, for example, make money online. Okay. Affiliate marketing. You could go ahead and do that. And basically what it's going to do is it's going to actually try to find stuff. You can also use the auto suggestion in order for it to try to find stuff. Kevin's website probably is not the best option because look at this Stripe test card. This is finding things that are on Kevin's website, which maybe are not the best things to be looking at. I just put this in randomly. But basically, you can have it track the keywords. You can also have it actually do comparisons between your website and anybody else's website. And it's going to do it all through the power of AI in order to give you suggestions on how to actually turn your website into something that is really amazing. So you can see here it's got the conversion website. So let's go ahead and just click create a new project. Okay, so let's go to do this. Kevin Fahy. Okay. And I believe it's in the UK. Well, actually, no, I'm not going to go through the whole thing here because I want you to see that in the course. But bottom line, this is what you're going to be doing. This is going to give you that information. In the meantime, let's check this out. Okay, create instant landing pages with AI. Learn how to use AI to create instant landing pages. Places, put in your email. Okay, key features, and it's got a beautifully designed website that you can simply deploy immediately. Okay, and you can use this literally for anything you like. In order to do this, you can also change the layout if you want to change it. It's got all different options here. They can instantly change the layout of the website. You can see here. it instantly changed our design to a completely different layout. And it's all done instantly in just seconds. And then what you can do is you can go ahead and compare your new website to other people's website in the same niche in order to be able to see what's actually going to work. Again, you have 2 courses that you can give away. Each one's a completely separate course explaining how to use these things. Okay, so let's go ahead and check out the members area for Kevin's course. So you can see here, this is the members area. Now, there is a lot of material here that's really, really going to help you. Some of it is old school Facebook groups, fan pages, etc., etc. But there is some new stuff here that giveaway events, really cool. I never thought of using free WSOs. That's actually quite interesting. I really enjoyed that particular video. I think you're going to really get a lot out of it. Okay, webinars. I never thought of using a webinar to build my list either. Webinars mostly for making money, but he's turned this into a way of actually building a list. Of course, viral giveaways. There's a lot of material there, and he's also going to give you his prompts that are really going to help you out with being able to build the content that you need for your new website. Again, this is the AI edition of the List Building and Email Marketing Masterclass. Now, this course is usually $47. I believe it's going to be on a dime sale. It's marked down to $21, but it's going to be a dime sale, so do not wait to get in on this thing if you really want it, because it is very, very valuable, and it will go up in price pretty quickly. So I'm going to formally give a tip on my hands to the product creator or not.
You rock!
Oh yeah, you bet it. You rock. Look, Kevin is one of the top people I know in this industry, really knows his stuff, and this thing is exceptionally good. When you pick it up with my bonus, you really, really are getting a bargain. Grab this, you're going to love it.